When I found this out, it completely blew my mind. Hi, I'm Terri. I'm an intuitive designer, a house healer, and a holistic interior designer. As a house healer, I work with earth energies, and I look for detrimental earth energies that can be affecting you in your home. And these can be in the form of underground earth energy, underground water. Those are two big ones that I work with. And this really, really cool thing that I found out that really did blow my mind when I started working in this is that cats are attracted to these lines and dogs stay the hell away from them. They want nothing to do with them. And I've tried this again and again in different people's homes and in my own home, and it's completely rung true every time. If there's an area the dog won't go, and when there is a negative line, the cat will be lying on it. And it is really, really cool. So if you have a cat, is there somewhere that your cat always lies? Or if you have a dog, is there somewhere your dog won't go, an area in your home they want nothing to do with? Because if you said yes, you could have negative earth energy or underground water running below your home, and that can really affect your health. And if you want to know more information about that, you can just check out my other videos. That's where you can find videos on dowsing and how to find these lines. It is pretty cool. Just give it a try and let me know if you do.